Hi, and welcome to the Flawless Cleanse tutorial. Did you know that your skin renews itself every 28 days, and using a cleansing brush speeds up this process? Facial brushes have been around for a while, but not like this. I'm so excited to introduce you to the new must-have addition to your everyday skincare routine. And don't worry, I'm about to explain why. Flawless Cleanse has cutting-edge technology that allows you to get the benefit of a facial massage with the action of cleansing, so you can bring your spa beauty routine into the comfort and safety of your own home. Inside the box, we have the luxurious Flawless Cleanse facial brush. It has an ultra-hygienic silicone head and an elegant rose gold charging cradle. Cleanse is the perfect size. It's ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in the hand to effectively use all 4 cleansing and massage modes. Unlike other cleansing brushes, Flawless Cleanse is beautifully designed with a rose gold bottom and a soft pink head, because you should never settle for anything less than flawless. Now, the first thing you want to do with any rechargeable device is to charge it. You can use any Flawless wall adapter, but if you don't have one, your phone's wall adapter will work perfectly. Attach the Cleanse Cradle's USB charging cord into the wall adapter and plug it in. To charge, place the unit on the charging cradle, with the 2 contacts on the unit lining up with the contacts on the charge. If you don't have an adapter, visit www.flawlessbeauty.com to purchase one. Note that the unit will not operate while charging. The LED light will flash when charging. Once charged, the light will become solid and will stop flashing. Flawless Cleanse features a simple 1-button operation. Hold the button down to turn the unit on. This brings you to the first mode of operation. Pressing the power button again moves through the 4 modes of operation. The first mode is the gentle cleanse. The second mode is the deep cleanse. The third mode is the massage. The fourth mode is the massage and cleanse. To shut off, press and hold the button for 2 seconds. Having these 4 modes gives you the power to customize your cleanse however you want. And it's as simple as that. Now, here's the fun part: how to use it. You can use it in or out of the shower, making it easy to incorporate into your everyday routine. For the best cleaning experience, make sure to move your hair back and off of your forehead. And here's how I use my cleanse. Let's start washing. With the unit off, run it under warm water and apply your favorite cleanser to the head. Once the unit is placed on your skin, press and hold the power button to turn the unit on. This is the gentle washing mode. I love this mode for when I wake up in the morning and I don't have any makeup on, but I do want a good face washing. Apply light pressure and move the facial cleanser in circular motions, making sure to cleanse the whole face. For deep cleanse with pulsing action, press again and continue washing. This mode is awesome for when you have makeup or sunscreen on and you want a deeper cleanse. When you're done, press and hold the power button to turn the unit off. Lay cleanse down on your countertop. Rinse your face, and then rinse the cleanser off the unit, and then pat both dry. Now, let me show you how to get the best facial massage with the Flawless Cleanse. First, take your favorite serum or favorite cleanser and put a little dollop on the head. Place the head on your skin. Press the on button 3 times for an invigorating massage mode. Press 4 times for massage and cleanse. With the high-speed vibration, this mode is designed to help stimulate circulation and collagen production. If you are finished using your unit prior to the automatic shutoff, hold the power button down until the unit turns off. To clean, run the unit under water with soap. Rinse and wipe dry with a soft cloth or air dry. Once dry, place Flawless Cleanse back on its cradle to recharge. The cool thing about Flawless Cleanse is the ultra-hygienic brush. Its hands-off cleansing gives you a natural, more hygienic clean. And lastly, here's what not to do. 1. Never turn on your cleanse unit until it's against your skin. Otherwise, there will be a big mess to clean up. 2. Only use 1 product at a time. The head should be cleaned after every product use. 3. Do not submerge your charging cradle in any liquid. 4. Do not place a wet or damp cleansing device into the cradle. Always dry it first. 5. Keep the product and charging cord and USB power adapter away from heated surfaces. Well, that's it for today's Flawless tutorial. Make sure to come back whenever you need. Congratulations, and thank you for choosing Flawless Cleanse. Your face will thank you too. Stay clean out there, and don't forget, you're flawless.